It's me. It's Sunday before Memorial Day. More work on the Cobra II. Okay, so today I am going to take care of a nuisance problem, which I should have known better. As you can see down there underneath the thermostat housing, you can see the antifreeze laying down there, and that's telling me that the thermostat's leaking, and I made a mistake, which I should have known better. And the mistake was I bought this thermostat gasket that did not require sealant, which was not so much true. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to capture this with two different cameras, and the first thing I need to do is to drain some antifreeze out of the radiator. And as you can see, my garage is still a mess. All right, let that drain, because we're going to have to remove this main hose to the radiator, remove the bypass hose to the water pump, and then pull that thermostat housing off carefully. These parts are old. You don't want to be breaking things. So what I'm doing here is taking this fan off, because I am going to put a fan shroud on here, which I just got delivered yesterday. I've never had a fan shroud since I owned this car in 1978, so I can't help but think that cooling will be that much better. Okay. I'm working above the opening to the radiator, and it sounds like a whale breathing, which is kind of weird. That's got to be enough antifreeze. Hopefully she's draining out of the engine block a little bit out of the bottom. Just like that. Okay. Not that belt was bad. Okay. Okay. Right now it's leaking antifreeze. It's a slow leak. I'm not 100% sure that it's because of the thermostat housing, but if I stick my finger under there, that's where I can feel the wetness, so I don't think it's coming off the hose. Okay, so now hopefully we can turn this thing or pry it out. All right, get out here, but I gotta be careful I don't break this housing. All right. Okay. That's the culprit. Don't use them. Okay, so that went on pretty good. Assemble this leak free. Okay. Sorry. Working on these Mustang 2s. It's a never-ending wonder at how much patience a person has to work on a car. Because there is nothing easy on these things. Alright, so I think the trick would be to put this on, get it in here, and put the fan on, and then try to I have to take it out, I guess. Alright. Alright, so the fan's back. Sweet. It's a fan shroud. Okay. Okay. It's on there loose. I think this is the only way I'm going to get it. Okay. 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 All right. Fan shroud is on. Never had one before, but damn. I think a person's still got to be pretty damn careful getting your hands down in there, but either way, fan shroud is on. I'm happy about that. Get the hoses on. Hopefully I got this running. I do. And then I'll probably run the car in order to get it heated up and get the antifreeze circulating back where it's supposed to. I don't want to bore you, but that wasn't a bad job. There's a few things that I would have done differently. One of which was, I would have bought some of them, the screws and those metal clips that slide over the holes, and then you could just put the screws in from the front. Probably would have worked better. I might do that still, just because I'm not wild about this, even though I think that they're going to hold fine. I just don't think that it's a perfect connection here. Well, doesn't appear like anything's leaking. Parts from the fiberglass fan shroud has not gotten flying around the yard, so doesn't appear like I got any issues for today. Next thing to tackle, I think, while I'm waiting for my clutch, is work on that noisy lifter I got going on here. Anyways, have a great day. Good luck on your tube.